Hello, my name is Tyler Gunn, and this is my SunSPOTs project, which is essentially a surveillance camera. Now, there's a bunch of different parts of the project. There's a sonar device connected to a sunspot, which is used to measure the distance to a person in front of an observed area. In this case, I'll observe people approaching my aquarium. And over here we have a camera with two servos that allow it to pan and tilt, and a laptop which serves as the base station for the whole system. Okay, the first step in getting the system up and running is to set the left and right calibration points. This basically allows us to determine where we are monitoring in the range of the sonar and with respect to the camera. So what we do is we first stand in the left calibration point, and in the software we can take a sonar reading and use the pan and tilt controls to aim the camera at the subject. And then we would set that in the configuration. And you would step over to the right position and repeat the same process. And then once you've calibrated, you can activate the system and it'll begin monitoring for people that come and enter your observed area. Alright, now that the system is calibrated, I can move in range of the observation area, and the camera will pick me up and aim at me. And as I move through the observation area, it's going to keep tracking me and re-aiming the camera. So I can move this way, and I can move back, and the camera is still following me. And then, when I leave the observation area, the system will automatically stop recording and wait for the next person to arrive. So this is the basic base station for the system. Over here we have the video server window, which shows us a feed of the video from the camera. And over here is the main controls, where we can activate and deactivate the system. There's an activity log that illustrates when people arrive and leave and at what time. This little slider here will show relatively within the observation range where a person is. And over here is the calibration settings, where we can set the sonar left and camera left calibration, as well as the right calibration for the sonar and the camera.